Okay, this week is week 4 and 5. You will learn about K-map. K-map is a Karnaugh map. Okay, what is Karnaugh map? Karnaugh map provides a systematic method to simplify Boolean expression and produce the simplest SOP or POS expression. K-map is used to minimize the number of logic that are required in a digital circuit. K-map is similar to a truth table, but it presents all the possible value of the input variables and the resulting output for each. For Boolean simplification, you can simplify using Boolean algebra. So you can apply 12 rules, Boolean 12 rules, and then you can also simplify using truth table. You can also simplify using K-map. Okay. In K-map, you can have 2 variable, 3 variable, and 4 variable. For 2 variable, it represents for 2-bit binary. 3 variable, 3-bit binary. And then 4 variable, 4-bit binary. So 4 variable, you can have A, B, C, D. 3 variable, A, B, C. 2 variable, A, B. For 2 variable, you can have 2 to the power of 2. So you can have 4 cells. So 2 variable, you got A and B, A, B, and then 4 cells, either 0, A 0 or 1, B 0 or 1. Okay, so this one is 4 cells. For 3 variable, you can have 2 to the power of 3, where you can have 8 cells. Got A, B, C, 3 variable. A and B 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 or 1 for C. So if you count, you can have here 8 cells. For 4 variable, so you get 16 cells. You got A, B, C, and D. You got A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this one 16 cells. For 2-bit binary, you measure number 0 until number 3. For 3-bit binary, you measure number 0 until number 7. For 4-bit variable, you measure from number 0 until number 15. Okay. So the map is made up of table of every possible SOP using the number of variables that are being used Either you can have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 4 times 4, 8 times 4. For 2 times 2, it's a 2 variable, which is A and B. 3 variable, A, B, C. You got 4 times 2. 4 variable, A, B, C, D. And then this one is 5 variable. So this is example for 4 times 4. This one is 4 variables. So you got 16 cells. It's measured from number 0 until number 15. 4 times 4 cell. So how do you construct the SOP table for K-map? This is example for 2 variable K-map. So you got A bar, A, either 0 or 1. B bar, B, either 0 or 1. The way that you read is A0, B0, which is this one is A0, B0. This one is A0, B1. A0, B1. This one is A1, B0. This one is A1, B1. So you are measuring the number 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. This is example for 3 variable K-map measuring the 3-bit binary. So remember 3-bit binary, you have 3 0, 0, 0, 0 for example. So you got A, B, C, 3 variable. So you are measuring from 0, 0, 0, 0 until 1, 1, 1. So you are measuring from number 0 until number 7. Okay. So for 3 variable K-map, you got A 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0 or 1 for C. So the way that you locate number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is example for 4 variable K-map. For 4 variables, remember you got A, B, C, D. You are measuring 4-bit binary 0, 0, 0, 0 until 1, 1, 1, 1. So all from here to here in decimal, you are measuring from number 0 until number 15. For 4-bit binary, you will have 16 cells. If you count the cell here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cells. How do you place number 0 until number 15? So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is example for POS table construction. What is POS? POS is product of sum. So example for product of sum is X equals to A bar plus B plus C times A plus B bar plus C bar times A plus B bar plus C bar times A plus B plus C. So this is example for POS expression. So does it differ from SOP table construction? Of course, it's different because SOP you place number 0. For POS, you have to place the number 0. For example, you have X equals to A plus B plus C times A plus B bar plus C times A bar plus B bar plus C times A bar plus B plus C bar. So A bar plus B bar plus C is 0, 0, 0. A B bar, A plus B bar plus C is 0, 1, 0. A bar plus B bar plus C 1, 1, 0. A bar plus B plus C bar 1, 0, 1. For SOP, you read A equals to 1. A bar equals to 0. POS, A equals to 0. A bar equals to 1. So that's why here A you read 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1. So all of this, when you place in the K-map, you place number 0. Because for POS, you have to place number 0 for POS. So now you have 4 variables, 1, 2, 3, 4, to be placed in the K-map. So you got 0, 0, 0, you place number 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, place number 0. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, place number 0. And then you got 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, you place 0. So this is the way that you place for POS. Then you can start to do a grouping to do a Boolean simplification. So this is another example when you have here it's already give you some of placement for location number 0 in this table, and the example how do you do a grouping. Okay, this is example for how to do grouping in K-map, and you can see the difference from the equation when you do a grouping. In this example, you got X equals to A bar B bar plus A B bar. So you, by look at this, you know that this equation is SOP. So let's refresh what is SOP and POS equation. SOP, you can have like X equals to A bar B bar plus A B bar. For POS, you can have like X equals to A bar plus B bar times A plus B bar. So you can see that this is the difference between SOP and POS. These two equations, you have to place number 1 in the K-map. This one, you have to place number 0 in K-map. Okay, now you got A bar B bar. A bar B bar is equals to 0, 0. A B bar 1, 0. So here is 0, 1, 0, 1. So you got 0, 0, you place number 1 for A bar B bar. A B bar 1, 0. A 1 B 0 here. So you already locate the position of 1. Position of 1 means that SOP, and then now you have to do Boolean simplification. You can do a group of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. This is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 for a 2-bit binary. You can do a group of 1, a group of 2, and a group of 4 for 2-bit binary. Okay, now you do a group of 2. So like this. Okay, then you have to read. When you read, this one is 0, 1, 0, 1. So you read this row and this row. A change state from 0 to 1. So you don't read A. B, only B is 0. So that's why you read X equals to B bar. Next. This is example. This is SOP. By looking at the equation, this is SOP, where you have to place number 1 in the table for the location of 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So now look at 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is here. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 here. So you already place 1, 2, 3, 4, number 1 in the location of 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0, 1. If you read one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get all this equation back. But when you simplify, for example, you simplify this way. So you got here a group of 2, 1, equation 1. This one is equation 2. How do you read this equation? So you got here and here and here. So A and B, A 0, B 0. So you got A bar, B bar. C change state from 0 to 1. So you don't read C for equation number 1. For the equation number 2, so this row, you read this row and 2 row on the top. A, B bar. A1, B0. You got A bar, A, B bar. And then C change state from 0 to 1. So you don't read C. So you get here is X equals to A bar, B bar plus A, B bar. If you use Boolean simplification, you can still simplify X equals to B bar, A bar times A. I think this one is a Boolean rule number 6. So this one equals to 1. So X equals to B bar. You can still simplify using Boolean equation. Means that this 2 grouping is not very simplified yet. It's correct, but it's still not simplified. You can still simplify using other grouping. Now, let's see the example for the student, second student. She or he might think that can do a grouping like this. 1 on the top here, 1 on the bottom here, 1 top here, 1 bottom here. So this 1 and 1 group number 1. This one is 2 and 2 group number 2. So here, read here and 1 in the bottom. Right here, so you have to compare here and here. This one is A, B, A, B. You see A change state from 0 to 1. You don't read A. B is 0 and 0. B bar. So you read B bar. C, so C is 0 here. Nothing to compare. You got C bar. So you finish a grouping number 1. And then you now look at the grouping number 2. You read here and here and here. So again you got B bar and B bar. This one change state, A and A bar. So you read B bar. And here you only read C, which is you got B bar C. So by looking at this equation, so it still can be simplified. You can get like B bar C plus C bar. So this one is 1. So X equals to B bar. Means that there is some other grouping that can be used to simplify. So one student thinks that he or she can do grouping 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Alright, so this grouping, a group of 4. So 1 here compared to here, and then these 2 compared to here. Okay, this one and this one. So you got here A bar, change state, so you don't read them. So B maintain, so you read B bar. So you got B bar. And then here C change state from 0 to 1. So you don't read C. So you got X equals to B bar. So this one is the most simplified equation. Okay, for example, this one is another equation, which is you got 3 variable. So basically you can draw like this for 3 variable. You got 8 times 2. You got A, B, C, 0 and 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So basically this one is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. This one is 1, 0, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. You place number 1. So all of this equation, you have to place number 1 in KMAP. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, place number 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 here. Right, so you can do simplify between this one and this one, and then you can do a grouping here. Okay, so for the group number 1, so you compare here and 2 on the top. So A change state from 0 to 1, you don't read A. B is 0, 0, so you got B bar. C change state from 0 to 1, don't read C. So for equation 1, you got B bar. For equation 2, this one is equation 2. So you have to read here and here. And then 1 here. So here to here, you got A is 0. Here A 0, A 0. So you got A bar. B change state from 0 to 1. You don't read B. And then C is 1, so you got C is 1 here. So this one is question number 2. Okay, that's all for KMAP 3 variable, and we will continue for the class second session number 2. Thank you very much for your class today.